I have blank to England 3 times before. Gone or been. We use gone when we go to a place and stay there, but we use been when we go to a place and come back. The key in this sentence is 3 times before, which means I went and came back. So the answer is been. I have been to England 3 times before. Dad is not here. He has blank to work. Dad is not here means he went to work and he's still there. He didn't come back. So we use gone here. Dad is not here. He has gone to work. Number 3, you need to drive faster. We are late. To sense that. Look here, you need to drive faster because we are late. So we need one of these. We need a word which means because. Which one of these means because? Good job. Since. Since equals because equals as. They all have the same meaning. Give yourself a mark for each one. I got 3. What about you? Write your mark in the comments. Thank you for